Guys, if you can read and write in any language like English, Japanese, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, and even French languages, then you can come on board on this platform because they are currently looking for generalist writers and generalist quality reviewers. Now, these are two different jobs. And aside from these jobs, you can also find core tech jobs. You can find vocal jobs like jobs that will allow you to do voiceovers. And then you can also system jobs on this platform. So they have a lot of them and they're currently available looking for people to come on board and join them. So we're going to look at these jobs, and for this video our focus is going to be on the language jobs like the English generalist job and the English generalist quality reviewers job, so you know if it's something you can do and you can go ahead and apply. So we're going to go through the two of them so you know how to get started. Also, we're going to share how you can get on board on this platform, from the application process to every other processes you're going to go through before you get into the job and start doing the job, and how much you can potentially earn. All of that we're going to share in this video. So if it's something you're interested in, please make sure to watch this video today. So if you come here on the website, you can see that they have different jobs that are available right now for people to apply to, and most of all these jobs are remote, as you can see here on the platform. So as you can see, they're looking for people that can create, review, and refine high quality written content, and it's hourly contract, and you can see that you're expected to give like 10 to 40 hours per week to be able to do this job. So you're expected to do things like writing, editing, refining English content, and for clarity and accuracy, and of course to take into consideration the tones that you're going to be using to do this writing that you're expected to do here. Then you can identify subtle errors and ambiguities, inconsistencies, stuff like that with your writing. So these are the requirements you're expected to have to be able to do this job. Part of your job also includes proofreading, so you can be able to spot errors because you can't just write and go without having to proofread your job to be able to make necessary corrections. So you have to take that into consideration, of course. So here is the application process for this one. You're going to submit your resume and you're going to complete a short screening test, and then project matching and onboarding can take place. So we're going to discuss that in detail. So that is for the first job, which is generalist writing. This is basically you having to create content from scratch and do the necessary editing that has to do with the content you have written, so that this content can be used to train AI. So for the other job, which is the quality reviewer job, all you have to do is to improve already existing content with strong quality mindset. So you're going to be proofreading and making necessary corrections to give clarity, consistency to the writing you're going to be giving to review. So here the contract is hourly like the previous one, and the compensation is $30 to $40 per hour like the previous one. And of course it's remote, and here are the things you're going to do. Things like reviewing content for subtle grammar, tone, and clarity issues, improving readability, and flag inconsistencies and unclear languages. Then apply editorial judgment. That is generally proofreading these jobs. So that is what you're going to be doing for this particular job. And these are the qualifications and how you're going to make your application and submit. So let's talk about the processes. So if you come here and click the process, you can see that the process for you to get on board comes in stages, like from first stage to the sixth stage, which is the last stage. So here you're going to apply. This is where you're going to fill out the forms that you're going to be seeing here and upload your resume. Then identity verification, that is the second stage. This is where you're going to upload your ID cards so they can use it to assess your personality and know if you're a real human or a robot, stuff like that. Be able to hold you accountable for anything during the process of your working with them. And of course, you're going to be interviewed by an AI. Their AI agent is called Zara. So you're going to have an interview with Zara where you're going to be asked some questions as regards the job you have applied to do with them on the platform. So Zara is going to ask you some questions and you can feel free to answer. And while you're having this interview, it's important for you to have in mind that you're talking to an AI. So you have to be as clear as audible and make sure your internet is connected successfully before you go on with the interview. So the last stage of this process before you talk about setting up your billing and onboarding is the assessment. Now there is additional assessment you're going to go through once you are done with the interview with Zara, such that they can gather more information as regards the job you're applying to, and of course to know more about you as well. So once you're done and you push through with that stage, then you can go on with the setting up and the billing process. Now you're going to fill out some forms and bank details. Mostly you're going to be using PayPal or Pioneer on this platform. So if you don't have any of this, then you have to create an account or get one for yourself. So you have to like update your billing information so that they can have it. And once you're done, then you can start receiving projects and start working on them. You're going to receive your pay once any project you're done with gets approved, then you can receive your payment. We have this platform that has 10,000 AI tutors, 50 domains, 15 languages, and people with masters and PhD holders as well. So this one will not really have opening for people without some skill or some degree. So this is what the platform looks like. And as you can see, they have a lot of companies they're working with, including Amazon and Microsoft, Shopify, and all these other platforms here. So they have active projects on this platform right now as I make this video. And here is how it works and the people that have already worked here on the job. So we're going to look at the jobs they have available and the things you're expected to have to be able to work on the platform. So if you come to where it says view all projects, then you're going to see this job. These ones are for people that have some skills, like the agent evaluation engineer. As you can see, the amount you're going to earn is quite high. So you have to be skilled with evaluation. And this is for people that have core tech skill to be able to do the job. And if you can vibe code, they also have opportunity for people that can do that here. So, but for the interest of this video, we're going to be looking at the AI pilot assistant. So if you click on this, you can see the role and what you're expected to know. So for this one, they are looking for people that have AI capabilities to work in hand as an AI agent assistant. So what you're going to be doing is to collaborate with large language models and handle repetitive tasks while you bring the nuance, judgment, and creativity required to deliver high quality results. So in this role, you won't just review what AI produces, you will also work alongside it, shaping and completing the output so they can be accurate and reliable. So generally, what you're going to be doing is data annotation to be able to review every output the AI agent gives. So your day-to-day may range from fact-checking a scientific claim to curating a data set, conducting market research, or refining sales leads. So it's a flexible part-time remote job and it's ideal for people that have backgrounds in research, editing, analysis, or related fields. So these are the skills you're expected to have to be able to contribute to their cause. So this is a freelance project, meaning you can stay anywhere you are to do the job. And here are the tasks that you may be doing while you're on this job. And most of the tasks are as regards research and analysis, as you can see here. So here are the requirements you're expected to have. So you have a degree certificate to be able to do the job. So even people with masters can actually come on board to do the job. So here, and this is the benefit you're going to be getting from doing this job. So you're going to be paid, and the rate can go up from $20 per hour, depending on your skill, your experience, and the project needs. So it's a part-time, you can take part-time or remote or freelance project that fits around what your schedule is. Then you work on advanced AI projects to gain valuable experience, to enhance your portfolio. So to get started to apply for this job is similar to the previous one that we just talked about. You're going to go through the C stages like the other one, where you do the application and you're expected to have your resume to be able to do this application. So you fill out the application, then you drag your resume here and fill it out here. And of course, your cover letter. So once you're done with that stage, you do the identity verification stage and of course the AI interview stage, and you join their pool of talent. You do the onboarding and then you complete task and get paid. So that is how this one works, just like the previous one that I mentioned. So if it's something you're interested in, the name of this platform is Mind Read. So you might want to check it out and make your application if you're qualified to join them on board, so you can get started doing the job. So if you're interested in this position or working with this platform, then you have to gather all of these. Make sure you're ready for the job and you make sure you qualify by going through the platform to check the details about the job. Then you can start your application process. So if you're looking for other ones that you may want to do outside this language training, AI training job, then you can check out this video showing on your screen. And for any reason, if you need to update your resume because you may be asked to upload your resume, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that you can use to update your resume, customize it, tailor it to what you need. You can grab one with the link in the description of this video. I really appreciate those of you that gave me feedback. It was really helpful and the reviews have been amazing. Thank you so much. And if you saw value in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.